In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view basic analytics in Pandadoc. We'll walk through a simple process that lets you see how your recipients are interacting with the documents you send. This is really useful if you want to understand whether someone has opened your proposal, how engaged they are, or if they've already completed and signed it. First, from your Pandadoc dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical navigation bar with different sections. Find and click on the Documents tab. This is where all of your documents live. Drafts, those that have been sent, and those that are already completed. Think of this as your main hub for tracking everything you're working on. Once you're in the Documents area, you'll see a list of documents along with their current status. To view analytics, you'll want to focus on documents that have been sent, viewed, or completed. Drafts won't have meaningful analytics yet because they haven't been shared with anyone. Go ahead and click on any document that is marked as sent, viewed, or completed. When you open the document, you'll see a preview of its contents in the main area. On the right-hand side, there's a panel with additional options and details related to that specific document. In this right-hand panel, look for the button labeled Review Data. This is the key to accessing your basic analytics. Click on Review Data, and Pandadoc will display an analytics view for that document. Here, depending on your plan and the specific document, you'll typically see information such as when the document was first opened, how many times it's been viewed, and sometimes how long a recipient spent on each page. This gives you insight into your recipient's level of interest. For example, if someone spends a lot of time on your pricing page, that might be a good signal to follow up and clarify any questions. If you don't immediately see the data you expect, double-check that the document has actually been sent to at least one recipient and that they've had a chance to open it. Analytics will only appear once there's some activity on the document. That's all there is to it. Open the Documents tab, choose a sent, viewed, or completed document, and then click Review Data in the right-hand panel to see your basic analytics. With these steps, you can quickly understand how your documents are performing and decide what actions to take next.